everyone, it's Miss Olea. Um, I am here to welcome you to the Distance Learning Week 3. So when you go into your course, like you already have, you're going to see this folder called Distance Learning Week 3. Oh, look, my dog came by. Um, and it's going to give you an idea of what we're doing. Here's the agenda. Let me zoom in here. Here's the agenda for this week. So Monday, we're going to do the Eiffel Tower lesson. But before you do the Eiffel Tower lesson, obviously you're listening to this video because you went to the introduction assignment. So when you click on this, and there's not going to be two of them, there's only going to be one for your class, okay? So when you click on this, it tells you watch my introduction video, which I haven't tagged because I am currently doing it, but it will be there. And then it says record yourself using the Flipgrid code, OLEA-1A, or this link. Now, the Flipgrid, let me go to the Flipgrid. It's the same, okay, that's fine. So, there's a video of myself, because, yes, telling you exactly what I want you to do on Flipgrid. Now this part is optional. You don't have to record a Flipgrid of yourself, but I would like some feedback from you in regards to any assignment questions you have, or even if you want to share something about your week that doesn't necessarily have to do with school. So you are more than welcome to respond to this Flipgrid on those two bases. Make sure that it's appropriate. It is moderated. That means that I watch it first and then I decide whether or not I want to publish it. Okay. So let's talk about the agenda for this week. So if we go back here. Okay. So I had told you last week that we would be having a quiz, and I don't want you to freak out because the quiz is super easy, and because we can't take it in school, you can obviously use your notes. So that means that the quiz should be very easy for you. What the quiz is going to have is everything that you're going to find in this review. So this review has the answers for the quiz. The quiz is not necessarily in the same question forms that these review activities have. So you can review by playing this Kahoot right here. Also, you're going to answer the questions on the PDF that I'm going to attach because I haven't done so. What's wrong with me? But yes, I'm going to attach a PDF that has review questions about the quiz, and I would like you to answer them. Normally in class it would be a game that we play, but obviously we can't play a game, so we have to improvise. So again, everything is going to have this little check mark right here, and then at the end of the week, as you probably saw last week, once you complete everything in the folder, there's going to be a green check mark in the whole folder. Now, not everything is in the folder right now. I'm only doing half of it now and then half of it later, because that's how we're supposed to do it. So you won't see Wednesday on here until Wednesday because I don't want anyone to take the quiz ahead of time. So I'm going to make the quiz available on Wednesday at 10 o'clock in the morning. So if you're one of those people who wake up extra early to do any work, I'm sorry, but the quiz is not going to be available until 10 o'clock. Just because I want it to be published at the same time for everyone. Okay? It's going to be available at that time. So that's what we're doing on Wednesday. On Thursday, we're going to start learning something new. It's a lesson that I do called Famous Places in France. But obviously now we're going to do it virtually, which will be different. And Friday, we're going to finish with Famous Places in France, and that will mark the end of our French unit. Then the week after that, we're going to talk only a little bit about Germany because that will be our last week together. You will then rotate to exploring cultures too for the rest of the school year. So our class was cut short. Normally I do 2 weeks of Germany, but due to the circumstances, we lost a couple of weeks of school there. So there's not much we can do about getting our time back together. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with that. And if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me, or you can ask them in the Flipgrid, just in case, someone has the same exact question you do. And I will record myself answering any important questions on the Flipgrid. Or I will respond to you privately if it's a different kind of question. All right. So I hope everyone has a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.